Hi YouTube. I'm making this as a video response to my YouTube friend Sam. Sam did a video of his red Milano Italian stiletto. He called it Bloodshot. Very cool knife, very cool video with music. And actually, after I watched his video, I said, man, I gotta get one of those. So, I hate to be a copycat, but I got myself a stiletto. Check it out. This is my Italian stiletto. Instead of red or green or the traditional black handle, I got the blue Pearl X handle. This is a Frank Beltrame Italian stiletto. Very good quality. It's not the most expensive, but it's not the cheapest either. It was $62 on Blade Play. It weighs 3.6 ounces. It's the handle is almost 5 inches long, and the blade is 3 3/4 about. So it's roughly 8.75 inches open. The button to open it is here. You've got to have a firm grip on it because it has a strong spring. It'll jump right out of your hand. How do you like that? Says Frank B on this side, but my camera does not do well with close-ups. Anyway, it says Frank B Italy. One thing I love about Italian stilettos, and there's a lot of Japanese and Chinese copies, but the unique lock release. There's the lock. There's a pin on the back of the blade that goes into a hole on the spine here. Right there. To release it, check this out. You push on the bolster. It pivots. And that's what releases the blade. Very cool. Very, very cool. Unique to stilettos. $62. That included shipping. Shipping is free on Blade Play. So there you go. I got myself a stiletto. You can actually get these for less than $20 if you don't want to spend a lot of money and you don't really care for if you get high quality. $62. This is about middle of the road. They go well over $100 if you really want to get fancy, but I don't. I just want one that'll last a long time. Good quality, good spring. Looks good. Will last a long, long time. Alright, that's my Italian stiletto. Thanks for watching. Sam, thanks for the inspiration. Stay cool. Peace out.